Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make an authentic recipe which is popularly known as Bhetki Machir Paturi. Paturi means cooking using leaf for which I will use banana leaf. It is a traditional Bengali recipe.
So here are all the ingredients which we are using for this making paturi. So the main ingredients that are red and green chili paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, hung curd, poppy seed paste, some water, white mustard seed paste, mustard well, some green chilies, a lemon. Two more ingredients which you can use for making the curry delicious is a raw coconut paste and black mustard seed paste. Here are the pieces of fishes which we have marinated by using a pinch of salt, a pinch of red chili powder and a teaspoon of lemon juice. So we are going to keep this fish for marinated for around 30 minutes. Now we are going to roast our banana leaf a little bit directly in the stove. In this way you will get a good smoky flavor from the banana leaf in your fish, and also this will make our leaf a smooth one. So while we are making a parcel of the fish, the packing will be very good. In this way you can make all your banana leaf a little bit roasted. So it's almost 30 minutes and our fishes are ready after it's being marinated. Now we are going to add our other ingredients to the fish. First of all, we are adding a bit of red chili powder. Remember, we already added red chili powder previously, so keep it in your taste. A bit of green chili and red chili paste. A little bit of turmeric powder. Salt according to your taste. Don't forget, we have already added a salt while marinating. 2 tablespoons of hung curd. Here we have taken a fish which is of 600 gram weight. For that we are using 2 tablespoons of hung curd, 2 tablespoons of poppy seed, 3 tablespoons of mustard seed paste, white mustard seed, mustard well. You can add it according to your own taste. I am using around 1 tablespoon. So we are mixing all the ingredients. If needed, we will add a bit of water in it to make the paste a very good one. Remember, our paste should not be too thick and too loose. We are almost ready now. Now we are going to make our fishes a parcel using this banana leaf. For that we are going to brush a little bit oil in the banana leaf. I have cutted some green chilies. So if you want to make it more spicy, you can add it. If you are not, then you don't. You can add a little bit of masala along with the pieces of fishes. Here I have added a little bit of oil to grease the pan. In a very low flame, I am putting all my fishes in the pan. At a time, I have put 2 pieces of fish because my pan is a bit small. If you have a big pan, you can keep more. I am covering it with a lid and will keep it like this for 10 minutes next. So it is almost 10 minutes and now I have flipped all the pieces of the fishes to the other side. You can see how my banana leaves are looking right now. It is burnt from the sides and it will give a smoky flavor to the fish. This will make our patori very tasty and the smoky flavor in it will make it more delicious. So finally our bhetki machar patori is ready. Let's see how it looks like from inside. As you can see, it is looking so tempting. It is very soft from inside and it's also juicy and look so delicious. I can't stop. I'm going to taste it now. Thank you so much.